Oh man, dude, I can't believe it's finally bonfire night.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, what are you excited for the most?
Fireworks and sparklers.
I'm excited for hot dogs, fireworks, probably everything.
Oh.
And like, yeah, dude, Mario took us to Morrison's today, and then he like let us buy loads of like candy and stuff. Yeah, we bought like loads of sweets and stuff, and we bought Pringles, barbecue and normal flavor, some Oreos, some mints because I love mints and stuff like that.
And polos.
We didn't buy any polos. You had to put them back. Got mint creams instead.
Mm-hmm.
And we got wine and beer. I'm pretty sure Donkey Kong will be drinking the beer because he always does. Yep, Donkey Kong and his beer. What you doing, guys? We're making a video. Oh, is there any beer in this video? Where's the beer? Go away, Donkey Kong. We're recording.
We don't have any beer,
dear.
so go away.
Yeah, we do, but it's downstairs in the kitchen. Can I have some beer?
Yeah,
I like beer.
Go downstairs and get it.
Okay, I'm going downstairs. Beer. So, should we go and see if the fireworks are here yet?
Yeah!
Because Mario said he'd bring them back for us. Okay, dude, let's go and see if Mario's got the fireworks.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I got the fireworks. Nice, dude. So, what fireworks are they, dude? Well, I got some sparklers, a box, some of them ones, and some of them ones.
They're rockets.
They're not rockets. I don't know what they are. Pretty sure there's a few rockets in here. Yeah. What the hell's going on in there? Cut the video. You know, don't cut the video. Who cares about the noise? Sorry for the background noise. It's my grandma. You mean Nana? Oh, it's my Nana. Well, who cares? And we're gonna be having hot dogs because there's some things cooking. I don't know what it is that's cooking, but
it's for tomorrow.
Oh. Alright, Logan mostly does all the cooking, doesn't he? Yup.
Usually.
Anyway, should we show the guys what we got for the sweets and stuff?
Yeah, but first, that's sometimes what they go like.
That's what they go like. That's not what they do go like. That's what they are like. Who cares?
Never mind.
Have safe. Be safe with fireworks. No, be safe. Don't tie yourself to one. That's dangerous.
Oh.
So, yeah, let's go and I'll show you what we're going to be having to eat and stuff. See you later, Mario. Bye, homies. You do realize you're not cool. Oh, well. So, yeah, we got some hot dog stuff. Some hot dogs.
Jams.
Ice jams.
And chocolate ice jams.
Strawberry Oreos.
Chewits.
And some mint creams. And some toffee apples.
And chewits.
Which toffee apple is yours? Is that one? That was mine. And yeah, we really want to eat all this stuff right now, but you're not allowed. Because we're only kids. And Starbursts. And Pringles, obviously. And we're going to be having some burgers too. Burger buns. And we also got some lemonade. Do you want to see? We got some lemonade, and then Donkey Kong got some wine and beer and stuff because he's mental. And we got some Coke Zero. Muscase Diet Coke.
Is this?
Go on, let's see how dark it is. It's not very dark.
Correct.
Oh, that's terrible. I want to light some fireworks off now.
And I want to do some sparklers now.
I know, I like sparklers.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see you guys later.
Yeah.
When we light the fireworks and have food and stuff.
Yeah.
Mario, you do the outro. We'll see you guys later, and also we got news at the end of the video. Yeah, it's about wrestling, but yeah, stuff like that. So we'll see y'all later with the fireworks. Bye. Okay, it's like real dark. As you can see. So probably about to go down and do some fireworks. So yeah, it's gonna be cold. So, you know, who cares? It's gonna be cold. I'll use the gloves. And I think, who cares? Come on. Sparklers, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Some of these when we're at the fireworks scene. Yeah, we got hot dogs.
Yeah.
Hey? Yeah, we got hot dogs.
Yay!
Run that gate! Fireworks. It is so cold out here.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Wow. That was cool.
Oh, is that it?
Is that it?
That's
Is
it.
that it?
That's it, White Yoshi.
You'll be sure with that.
Shut the hell up.
I think that's So, we'll wait for more fireworks.
Okay.
Pause
Yeah,
record, you idiot.
You have gloves on.
Oh, I know. Yeah, more
Careful,
fireworks.
Daddy.
Oh! Jesus Christ.
Shit. Oh, just one.
Is that it?
Referee.
Really? Really, homies?
Mark, that's still late.
Is it?
Yeah.
Dangerous fireworks. Idiots. Come on, hop in though. And we're
That's
chilling.
still late.
Okay, so I have the flash on.
Oh,
Jesus, that is nice.
that?
It was a firework. More fireworks.
That's another crackle.
Yep.
Wow. What a racket.
Beautiful. It's still going.
Very good, Lallans.
It's finished now.
What's this then?
Another firework.
A big one, like, what do you mean a big one? Oh!
Jesus Christ!
Oh!
Hold on.
Debris.
Jesus Christ, that was scary. Time for more fireworks. I got the light back
Okay,
on.
I've got it. What's this
Okay,
one gonna do?
so what's this one gonna do? I'm scared.
I'm scared.
What's going on?
Oh, never.
What was that? What was that? Jesus Christ.
No, someone's just.
That was a really dangerous fight. This is literally whacked on the floor. Jesus Christ.
He's gonna miss
Okay,
them.
so what's going to happen next? It's like so cold out here right now. I'm literally about to die. So we'll see. Okay, here we go. What's going on now? Jesus Christ! That's the end of the bonfire special. Sorry that was a bit awkward in the firework part because, like, when I was shouting, like, you know. And yeah, I just uploaded a bloopers video. And yeah, it's really funny. And I'm playing. Yeah, I like that stuff. It's funny. And yeah. Alright, and this is the big news at the end of the video. We're going to be at WWE Newcastle Arena tomorrow. And why if you make a noise, you're screaming. Shut up, white idiot. Is that racist? Oh well, but yeah. And that's the end of the video. Peace.